Unitary method is a way of solving problems by first of all finding one unit of the quantity, first of all, what one unit is worth, and then going from there. And the best way to see that is with an example. In this case, the cost of $3 of fish is $27.87. So we could say that 3 kilograms costs $27.87. Now, unitary method would take this down to 1 kilogram. So we could say, therefore, 1 kilogram must cost $27.87 divided by the 3, because that's how many kilograms there were. And that turns out to be $9.29. So now that we know what 1 kilogram is worth, there it is there, $9.29, we can easily work out what 5 kilograms is. So we could say, therefore, 5 kilograms of fish cost $9.29 times by 5 and gives us a total cost of $46.45. So that's unitary method, working out what one unit is worth, and then you can go from there to work out any amount of that. So in this particular case, we could say a discount of 17.5% on a refrigerator resulted in the price decreasing by $152.25. What do we do here, finding the original price? Well, we say that 17.5% of the original price is equal to $152.25. So let's take this down now to 1%. 1% of the original price that's equal to $152.25 divided by 17.5, because if I divide 17.5 by 17.5 I get 1, so I have to divide this by the same, 17.5, and that gives us a value of $8.70 for 1%. So now it's a relatively easy thing to go to 100%, because all we need to do, so 100% of the original value, which obviously is the original value, must be $8.70 times by 100. So when we work this out, we get $870. Now I'm just going to pause for a minute while I just move this up. Alright, the last example that we're going to look at is for a car dealer who sells a car for $19,240, and it represents the cost of the car to him plus a profit of 30%. So it says, what price did the dealer buy the car for? Now, in this particular case, we can see that 130% of the cost, remember 100% plus 30%, so 130% of the cost price is equal to $19,240. Okay, so 1% of the cost price must be equal to $19,240 divided by 130. So this gives an amount of $148. So we can therefore say, 100% of the cost price must be equal to 148 times 100, which turns out to be $14,800.